Okay, welcome back. So today I am making hummingbird feeder food. So my hummingbird feeder is pretty big, so we put 2 cups of sugar in here with 2 cups of water. Do not add any type of food dye because that could injure them. Okay, put it on the stove. And what you want this to do is melt down the sugar till you can't see it. You can whisk it. Okay, as you can see, all the sugar has so-called melted down. So I will let this cool for a couple hours and then I'll show you the filled bird feeder. Okay, as you can see, I brought in my hummingbird feeder. It is a little dirty, so I always take some Dawn to it, wash it before refilling. Okay, so here we go. Add the lid back on. Now I leave this upside down till I get outside. Alright, so I hang my hummingbird feeder and Baltimore Orioles feeder just over here in my flower bed. There you go. How to change out your hummingbird feeder food.